Namaste. Hi, my dear friends and kids. This is Divya Dawlat here. This channel is started by myself, Divya DS, and my dear friend Kushal DS. We both will be together sharing few tutorials on arts and crafts, few tips and techniques. So please do like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Bye bye.
Hi friends, so let's start off with this art. Friends, I'm back here. I'm Divya Dawlat here. As you're seeing the pics, so you must have guessed what am I going to do. Yes, since Mother's Day is around the corner, I thought let's do something for mothers, as well as to our elder sisters and our aunts, our teachers who all are like our mothers. They play a good role of a mother. Okay, now let's start off. Basically, I had done a few of these last year to gift my friends. So I thought the same project I want to do it in a different way and name it as like Mother's Day gifts. Now for this, I require basically a canvas, but now we are on a lockdown, so I know that we can't get some canvas. So I have just cut these cardboards. These are the the carton boxes, the waste cardboards. Instead of throwing them, you can utilize. You can just cut them into whichever shape and size you want, and just keep it ready. On this we are going to do the background. Now for the background and for the whole project, I require a palette knife, a sponge, a few acrylic tubes, a waste cloth, and a few brushes, and water. Okay, now why do we require the sponge? The sponge is for the background painting, and for this here lies the technique. I'm going to do something. I won't say it is something new because this is quite an old technique, but I have just given a twist by creating it little different. Like I said you beforehand, last year I did this for my friends. I had used their photographs. Now again the same issue, we don't have a photograph now. Why? Because it's lockdown. So if you have printer at home and you can print any photos, that will be great. This is my friend's pic. I just took a printout. Since it's a printout, it will be little dull in the in the paper, so it's still okay because we are going to varnish on it. So I just kept this as my base. If you don't have a photograph, you can do this, and if you don't get anything, you can go for such designs. I generally like silhouette, so I generally try to do something like this. And since it's for the kids and adults, maybe for the beginners too, so these drawings are easy for everyone to draw. Now I gave a background with violet, pink, red, pinch of red, black, dark blue, and then I just took a toothbrush and gave the white effect, so it looks like a night effect. And this is what is the technique that we are going to do. These I did with the acrylic bottles, but for the next project we are going to do with the acrylic tubes. Are you guys ready? So let's grab a cardboard and everything and just get ready. I'm back here. So I just drew a lady. I just colored her dress red, and now I will show you the background coloring. After that I will show you the dress. Okay kids, I use these as my paints, and apart from that I am using the acrylic tubes. Okay, now the background can be any color. Now I showed you a night effect, so this I'm trying to give a light shade with white, yellow, and a tinge of orange. If not, you can give a blue background, the sky color, anything. So for each color that I use, my sponges will be different, okay, so that I don't mix up. And this is just tapping. You're tapping it everywhere. I'll just take another color, little pinch of orange. Okay, kids, it's always advisable if you paint this once white and do that, because always once you finish your white coat and then start off, the paints are more good. I was in a hurry, so I have skipped that part. So you can paint white, then draw the figure, and then do the background. That will be really good. Just I'll come back. Okay kids, see, I'm just tapping it. This need not be only for Mother's Day, it can be for any occasion. You can make this as a gift. It's a wonderful gift for anyone. Like as I said, you can keep a kid's photo, your mother's photo, your sister's friend's photo. Only remember, when you take a photo, you're only taking the half part, but you'll take the entire printout and then you can paint on this. Now preferably the hands and all should be above the this portion. Why? Because it's easy for us to create the texture and the dress design. In case if the hand is down like this, it's okay. It's always like they are hiding their hand behind the dress. You can just imagine in that way. That's okay, because always we don't get all the pics perfect according to our plans. So however you get the photographs, try to design based on that. Okay, now as I said you, since Mother's Day, I want to dedicate this painting to all the mothers, as well as to my mom too. So if not, you can do this for any other occasion also. Okay kids, I'm back here. But let me tell you clearly, the same effect on the canvas is very different, because on the canvas you feel it's more bright. Since this is cardboard, you have a little dull effect, but it's okay. This process can be done on this, and later on you can put a coat of varnish, or the same can even be done on the canvas. Okay, so we have done our background. Now let's come to the main part. So I'm going to choose few colors. It's going to be random. I'm just going to apply like this. See, you can do it with acrylic bottles also, as well as acrylic tubes, but the effect on the tubes is more nice because it's little thick paint. You can also do, as I told you, the first photo what I showed you was with the acrylic tubes. Oh sorry, acrylic bottles. So here we go. At the end of the video, I'm going to show you few photos which I had done last year on the canvas as a fridge magnet. So you can do those also. So here we go. We have put all random colors. I'm really not bothered about which color it will be. I just want to match with my red. Again, the background is light. Okay, now this is my palette knife. Here I go. The thicker the paint, the effect is more good. Just do this. Just, it should come as a gown. This is really a nice exercise. I really love the blend of the colors. Now can you see? There's a stroke of paints. These are because the paints will be thick, so that's how you can get. Now you can see a thicker layer. I can put some more colors, and then here we go. This is fun. You really enjoy doing this because you have lots of different colors. Just play around with the colors. The more the thicker the paint is, the effects will be good. And once it's dried, you can fix sequences or some mirrors. I'm trying to give lines for the dress, the gown, and here we go. I just enjoyed this. For one of the dresses I gave mirrors, for the another I just painted with the paint, and you can give even the gold lines or anything. Now here goes. Once this is dried, this looks really beautiful. Did you like it? Now here we can put some sequences and all. And one more thing, you can make a hole here and you can fix it onto the wall, Can you see it? Or as I said, if you take a smaller canvas, you can fix a magnet and make it as a magnet. So did you enjoy? Stay tuned, I still have one more painting with the photograph, I mean the printout. Okay ladies and kids, I want to give a close-up. This is how it looks with streaks. Now let me just tell you the same effect I tried here. Now this looks very plain. Why? Because I just used the bottle colors. So when you blend, you can blend, it's not that you can even do it with poster colors, tempera and all, but it will be a flat, and maybe then you can draw some lines and again you can stick. The fun is the same with the palette, but if you use the oil tubes or the acrylic tubes, since the paint is thick, you get a streak. This is really lovely. The more the colors, the more the beautiful it is. So let it dry, then let's see if we can make some designs on it. Okay friends, I'm back here again. As I told you, we have stuck some mirrors here. Can you see the mirrors? Okay, now the second one, I have done a blue background with blue and white, and I'm going to fix the photo. Okay friends, I'm back here. Can you see this? I have put gold, and gold you don't get an acrylic. Yes, I think you have some brands of gold tubes also, but I have used the metallic gold bottle. I just squeeze little paint on it, and then the rest all are acrylic tubes. Now can you see a small bird? Since she kept her hand like this, I thought let me show something on her hand. I wanted to make a heart, but again I thought let me make a cute birdie, and this birdie is made out of Crayola clay. I just painted it red. Okay, let me put the wings little, still it's wet, so I just made the wings as if it's flying. Okay, and then extended the hair little, gave little clouds effect and all, and I made a blue this thing, blue effect. Now I just cut her dress till here so that we can show the gown. And as I told you, in such paintings, sometimes we'll be able to show the hand, or sometimes we have to visualize that the hand is behind the dress or something like that. All this is like your vision, and imagining how it goes. Now I'll just shift this little. Can you see me? Okay, here we go. Wow, it's like a lot of colors. The gold, since her dress is gold, I just thought let me put little gold. Okay, now I have lot of paint here. I am going to do this. I just love this. First I make the entire gown, and then I'll make some streaks. Okay, when I make the streaks, I'm just pressing it like this to give an effect, and then okay, now I have used steel, I've used gold, I have used shades of red and little pinch of gold too. Now I tore this part, so her dupatta is not there. So what am I planning? Either I will paint little red here, or I will make some dupatta in the cloth, or maybe in the paper and fix it. Now let us leave this to dry, then we can fix some sequences on this. Now here I guess this is dried. Can you see? I have fixed some mirrors, and I just painted some red hearts and with the glitter. So you can even make glitter designs or with the paint once it's dried, but since I had a few mirrors, I stuck the mirrors. You can even stuck some beads and all, or you can make some clay flowers and do that. I hope this is nice, so just stay tuned. I'll be back. Once I'm back, I made a dupatta with the tissue paper. I have just painted it red and fixed it with the glue and gave wrinkles. I'll just I've just fixed it to this. I'm not going to press it, I'm just going to leave at the edge. So I'll just, okay, I'm sorry, my hands are too messy because once you give me the paints, I really don't know what I do. I just get lost into the paints world. Okay, now this is like a mixed media that I did. Now when you see this is quite plain and different, so I'll show you few more samples at the end of the video. So see this is one type, and this is like I just gave little mixed media style, like a clay bird, a tissue paper stole, and then the dress effect. Since it's golden, you can even make some like some trees or anything to give it more colorful, or you can just stop it till here. I hope you guys enjoyed this session. If you do, please let me know. Thank you. Okay, kids and ladies, I just gave little trees and branch and all. Now this was not planned. Since I just put the bird was also not on my plan. As I started doing, I thought let me do some small bird. So when I did the bird, I felt let me do some trees. But if you do a proper planning, then I think the plants have to come little more taller and the sky can be extended. But it was out of the idea, so I randomly did this just to show you the same variation in the same painting. So you can do a lot of things. I mean, the background can always be changed, and you have lot of things to add. I hope this tutorial was very useful or you liked it. Whatever it is, please drop in the comment section how did you like this and did you enjoy it. Thank you. Bye bye. So I'm just the final touch up. I'm just showing you both the designs. Okay, oops, this is still wet. Okay, now as I told you again, you can use various mediums, various designs. The printout can be taken, or you can do this freehand, or you can take a photograph. Whatever it is, just do the planning properly. And I hope my friend likes this. I tried to do something different. I'm not sure. I hope she loves it. You can do a lot of things, and hope you can surprise. Okay, anyways, we can't do a surprise in the lockdown. Maybe you can do this to your mamas and they might love it. Since it's Mother's Day around, let us do something for our moms. And here goes for my mom too. I love my mom a lot. And so small tutorial for all the wonderful moms, and I think it's very essential to tell them that we all love them so much. Okay, so the projects are ready. Ta-da, bye-bye.